Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today is another best-in-class video. There's a lot of little leather kind of sleeves, head covers with slots that fit over the head of a razor blade so that when you reach your hand in your dop case, if the blade is still loaded in your razor, you won't cut your fingers. Well, best in class is right here. This is made by Mula. It's just a plastic sleeve, and it's designed specifically to fit over the head of the razor, even with the blade on. Yes, with the blade on. That's the safety feature, so that you don't slice your fingers when you reach into your drawer, or even when you just pick your razor up. And if maybe a small child comes in contact with your razor and there's a blade in there, this will protect it from injuring the child. Hopefully. I mean, it should. That's what it is designed for. So this works on this is a Mula R41, for example. You just slide it right over, and this does have a blade. Boom, that's it. See, protected. You won't cut your fingers. Nice and easy. Let's remove that. Also works on the Merkur 23C right here. Slide that right over. No problem, just like that. Protected. Let's try the 34C, another popular razor. A little tighter, but it still fits very well. And they don't fall off. I mean, it's locked on there. Difficult to get off. Last but not least, this is a Mula R89 twist. Let's see if that fits. Yep, no problem. This has a blade on it as well. So again, quick and easy method of protecting your blade so you don't slice your fingers up when you reach down in your dop case or in your drawer, or just picking your razor up off the sink top. The Mula Safety Razor Head Cover. Best in class right there. Protect your fingers, also protects your razor from damage. The entire head is covered. If you want to pick one of these up, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab it right there. All these razors as well, we'll have links to them, just like all my videos. You just click on show more, and all the items are right down there. If you want to pick them up, nice and easy. Please do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button down there, and then click that bell, ring that bell icon, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.